Hey, welcome to ACS Composite. My name is Jonathan. Today we're going to be looking at the C8 Corvette jacking pucks. These are a semi-permanent design, unlike the traditional jacking pucks that you would use or that a GM tech would use when they go to service your car. They install by going up and turn, and they can rattle and fall off and potentially damage your car or anyone else behind you if they tend to forget them on. We've heard some horror stories where GM techs have left them on, so this is why this design is so great. You can install them and never have to worry about someone forgetting to install or leave on jacking pucks on your car. The kit comes with an Allen key, 2 screws, and the nut to lock them in. It's a pretty simple concept. The 2 screws go into the jacking puck, and then you attach them and turn it, and then once you tighten them, they're fully installed on your car and permanent. You can take them off though at a later date if you wish to do so. Okay, so to install them, you can just pre-do them. You're going to want to go, you want to screw them on pretty close to being finished so that once you do install them onto the car, you'll have less work to do with the Allen key, and it's much easier this way. So I leave about ½ an inch of a gap. Like so. So now we're going to locate the slotted area. This one could get a little hidden, so you have a circular hole here, you have another circular hole here, and then you have a slotted hole here. And again, it goes into the slotted area, so you won't be able to get into the other holes anyways, but just good to be on the lookout for that. So again, I go in, and then you want to turn just 90 degrees so that it locks, and you can just hold it in position and start tightening it. So that one's already nice and tight. These are available in red, black, and blue. I find the blue looks really nice with a Sebring orange car. And that's all there is to do it. It's nice and snug. Can't turn it, won't fall off, and you won't have to worry about it ever again.